Hi everybody, it's Adrian. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. And today we are back in St. John's Heights in the outskirts of Spanish Town, and we are checking out a brand new development. This is Palm Ridge Villa Estates. So if you're interested in seeing more, please go ahead and stick around. Okay guys, so we are on the active work site. As you can see, the houses are being built with block and steel. Yeah, I know persons always like, what's the building material? And you feel so much more confident when it's black and steel. So yeah, these houses are block and steel built. Okay everybody, so welcome to Palm Ridge Villa Estate, and today I'm taking you on the tour of the model unit. So the model unit is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit with a master or primary bedroom that has its own walk-in closet as well as ensuite area. The unit size is 1,300 square feet for the 3-bedroom, and the minimum lot size is just over 4,000 square feet. Okay, so we're going to check out the internal part of our 3-bedroom unit now, and we have a open concept here, open concept living dining area. So right here would be our very spacious living area, and something that I really love about Palm Ridge is that the unit's design is so modern. Like, it's very contemporary, and I just love how spacious it feels. Like, I've been to other developments, and I must say this is one of the most spacious units that I've been to in a really long time. So I'm just going to do a run through of the living, dining, and kitchen area, and also the wash area, and then we can check out the bedrooms, which are always my favorite part. So you see right here, you get an appreciation of how large this living area is. So here is your dining area, and this is your kitchen. Right here you can see a layout of the entire development. This development has various units that is currently gone that's no longer on the market, but good thing guys, there's still a lot of available units. So if you're interested in this, I suggest that you waste no time in reaching out to the developers. Okay, so the developers is actually Northwood, and they are known for their impeccable developments. This is actually a pantry area. It's always amazing to have a pantry within any unit, and I love that they ensured that these units have a pantry area. Now right here is actually a wash area, but it's large enough to have it as like a little study area or an office, because in here this is where your washer dryer as well as your sink would be. So this actually, the remaining space can be used for like a kid's study area or a home office. And let's look at that. You see really large windows. That's great for natural light and ventilation. So this entire space, you could use it, have a little desk here. While mommy's preparing dinner, we can have kids doing homework and all. So yes, and outside you'll see a an appreciation of how large this lot is. Now remember, the minimum lot size is actually 4,000 square feet. Okay, let's check out the secondary bedrooms and leave the primary bedroom for last, saving the best for last. So here we have our first secondary bedroom, and look at the size of this secondary bedroom. Also check out the size of these windows. You see what I mean? Look at all the natural lighting in here. Great lighting. And here we have another window. The oxygen feels so good up here. Okay, and this is our closet space. Wow, you know I always like to go ahead and check out the closet. Look how big this is. Can you believe this? Like, wow, this is really, really big. Okay, and at the top you do have additional storage area up at the top of the closet space, so that's good. Okay, so let's go into the bathroom now. So this is the bathroom. This will be shared between the two secondary bedrooms. And look at the size of this. You see what I mean? Yeah. These units are very in keeping with contemporary designs, and even though the ceilings are slab, the ceilings are really high. Like, yeah, they're really high, which is good. Okay, and here is our next for secondary bedrooms. Remember, this is the 3-bedroom 2-bathroom unit. Look how nice this is. I feel like just moving in here. Like, what do you think? So nice, right? And here you can get an appreciation of the wider area of St. John's Heights from outside. See, look, you can see the additional houses and so, because this is actually on an elevated lot. The model unit is actually on an elevated lot. But yeah, look at this lovely bedroom. Really nice, right? So if these secondary bedrooms are this nice, can you imagine what the primary bedroom is like? Well, let's go ahead and check out our primary bedroom. So this is the primary bedroom. Wow. So this is so lovely. I mean, I've used Nice so much. I am just like in awe. The space here, wow. I love how they've staged this. And this is an appreciation, as I said, of the wider community. Remember, this development is being done in an already existing community, which I've already done a tour of. If you haven't seen my St. John's Heights tour, you can go ahead and check it out. Remember, St. John's Heights is a wonderful mid-range community, and this is a secured, gated community that is being developed within an already existing community. Let's check out the bathroom. This is the ensuite for the primary. So you see that we have the is and her shower sink area right here. Really large shower. Like, wait, let's take this all in. This is your shower. Impressive, isn't it? And then right here we have the closet area. Yeah, this is the closet. This is your walk-in closet that comes with your 3-bedroom 2-bathroom unit. available to you at Palm Ridge Villa Estate, located in St. John's Heights on the outskirts of Spanish Town. Impressive, isn't it? So these units are actually smart homes. So you'll see right here that we have a keypad for the door. You'll actually use your phones to unlock your homes, and I think that's just an amazing, very modern feature of the unit. Okay, so guys, this is an active work site for the area. It is 43 units in total. The road goes right up there, and they are currently in construction mode over here. Yes, there's a lot of work going on. So the gates, the fence is already up, and we have the workmen here. They are busy getting the houses together, because quite a few units has already gone, guys. So if you're interested, you know you have to call soon. Okay, so this is the proposed entrance. So this is what the entrance should look like upon completion of the units. Here it is. And here are some mock-ups of the units. This right here is your floor plan. Now this is the floor plan for actually the 2-bed unit, and you'll see that in the floor plan you have the little office area that I mentioned, and 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. This is the primary bedroom, and this is the secondary bedroom. And the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, that one is for $29.9, and the 3-bedroom is $31.9. And remember, these are smart homes. Okay, so this is actually the map of the units that are already gone. So all of these units that you see marked here are gone. Yes, all of these are gone, so there's not a lot that's actually left, but there is still some left, guys. So you need to go ahead and get on it if you're interested in Palm Ridge Villa. But what do you think of this development? Is this somewhere that you can see yourself calling your home? If you're interested, please don't be hesitant. Call the number on your screen so you can secure one of these units. But until my next video, continue to stay safe and see you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.